Problem number 3 is x squared equals 18 plus 3x. In order to factor this problem or use the quadratic formula, you need to make it equal to 0 on one side. So I'm going to move everything over so it's x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. I'm going to factor this problem. Negative 18 times x squared is negative 18x squared. Negative 3x goes on the bottom. Here we have two numbers multiplying to a negative product and adding to a negative sum. So I'm going to have a negative times a positive, but the bigger number should be negative. So negative 6x and positive 3x will get me negative 18 when I multiply and negative 3 when I add. So I'm going to break apart this negative 3x to negative 6x plus 3x. We're going to break this apart into factors, x squared minus 6x and 3x minus 18, and find out what they have in common. X squared and negative 6x both have an x in common, and what's left over is x minus 6. 3x minus 18 both have 3 in common, and x minus 6 is left over again. Both of these terms have x minus 6 in common, and x plus 3 is left over. And now the zero product property says that we can multiply two things to equal 0, then either one could be equal 0. So we have x minus 6 equals 0, and x plus 3 equals 0. Solve for x, and we get x equals 6, and x equals negative 3.